Hey guys, what's going on? It's Errol here. I hope that you are having a beautiful day today or beautiful night wherever you are in the world, right? So, right now I'm going to be showing you how to delete a YouTube video. So, sometimes you might have uploaded the wrong video for whatever reason and you need to delete it. However, some people get confused as to where to go because the delete button isn't right in their faces. So I'm just gonna show you quickly how to get this done. So first of all, what you need to do is you need to be on your YouTube channel link if you have a YouTube channel. So for example, this is my link. For some persons, they might have their link customized with their own personal ending for the URL here. I don't have that as yet. So what I'm gonna do is once you're on your channel, you're gonna go to Creator Studio. Creator Studio. And then you have to pay attention to this tab over here. So under Video Manager, you're gonna see the list of videos that you have. Right? Mine's taking a while to load. So this is my channel. By the way, I have a video with over 3,000 views. You'll probably want to check it out as well. This is the video how to get free content for your website using articles base. And there are some other videos on there. Now, in order to delete the video, all you have to do is check the box for the video that you want to delete, go to the drop down, and then go down and hit the delete button. Obviously, I'm not gonna delete my own video for demonstration purposes, but that's basically how it's done. That's it. I'm gonna be uploading more videos on YouTube in terms of the basics, not necessarily anything advanced, but these videos are basically for people who find YouTube to be not so user friendly as they had expected. YouTube is user friendly, but for some persons it might not be as user friendly as they expected. So that's what this channel is for. Also, we're going to be showing in future videos how to set up certain systems, how to integrate them with whatever marketing efforts that you're engaging in online. So basically that's it. Don't forget to subscribe, share the heck out of the content, um share times 2, share times 10, share as many times as you can all over the place. So that's it for now, and I will see you in the next video.